How to print multiple PDF files without opening each one. So let's get started. First thing, just head over to your file manager. So once you're inside your file manager, simply search in for the .pdf extension. So once you search in for the files with the .pdf extension, it will be showing all of the PDF files available on your PC. So next thing what you can do is, so now simply open up your new Windows Explorer. So by simply pressing Windows plus E on your keyboard, it will open a new Explorer page over here. So once you're inside here, now simply type in at the top, make sure you are on your home page, and now simply tap on this top and just type in as I am typing over here, that is just like this. So let me just quickly complete it, and once you tap on your printers folder, it will be automatically show all of your available printer. And now once again, just minimize this screen over here, so put it to the side, just open up with the Windows Explorer file once again, just like this, and again click on this search bar and just type in what I will type over here, that is shell send to, just like this, and hit the enter button on your keyboard, and it will automatically show all of these options over here. So now just keep these both of the windows side by side, and what you need to do is just select your printer which is working and just send it to the, or create its shortcut right over here under the send to Explorer option. So once you do that, so for now you can close the printers folder or Explorer page and keep these both of these Explorer files side by side. Now so now just select all of your PDF files just like this, and whichever PDF file you want to send, and just right click on that particular selected PDF file and simply click on show more options from over here, and you can see there is an option called send to, and when you click on send to, you can directly send it to the particular printer, provided printer, and click on yes. When your pop-up occurs just like this saying you are trying to print multiple files at once, just click on yes, and make sure your printer is connected. So since my printer is not connected, I cannot do anything over here. So once you do all of that, your issue should be fixed just like that. So that's it for today, guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.